Hello everyone. To install Pedometer widget, first you just need to have Pedometer app installed. So here's Pedometer. And yeah, you don't need to create an account, nothing. You just sign up for free. It's a free app. Then you can just change the theme, change the icon. So there you have it. And then just follow the standard process of adding a widget. Just tap and hold, find the plus icon in the top right, and then just search for pedometer. And then you have all these different styles. So you can just find your step count, distance and floor count in small, medium, and small and medium. Then you have like goal completion and daily step graph. So let's just add this. So for example, for today, the goal is completed. So that's kind of pretty cool widget, right? If you have a goal of like 10,000 steps per day, that's how you can do it. And there you have it. And then you can just tap and hold and remove it. Hope it is helpful for you guys, and thanks for watching.